Ahoy! Ahoy! Ahoy, ahoy, ahoy. It's Scratch Buffalo Chris and Scratch Buffalo
Mark
with Top Tips, Top Tips, Top Tips. We'll be back with you after this thing.
Wow, top tips!
Today's Top Tips episode is all about the essentials you need for a show, whether you're a musician or a not musician. And I mean like a gig, like
A performance.
like on the bandstand. And so the first thing you need when you go to a gig, most important thing is lip chap. Now, what brand of lip chap do you use, Mark?
Burt's Bees.
It should be called Mark Doesn't Share Lip Chap brand because Mark does not share his lip chap.
No, that's very weird.
Many times I've been chapped, in need of moistening. Say to my bandmate, "Can you moisten my lips?"
I don't share lip chat.
He doesn't share it. No
or
matter.
beverages.
I did not know that. Okay, so that's top tip number 1. Top tip number 2 is change. Change. If you're in a band, you get drink tickets. You got to tip the bar staff still.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's important.
Oh.
So, bring some change. And I'm going to show you change. Watch this. Woo! That was pretty cool. That was a change. Top tip number 3. Now, Mark, what's the most... Oh, I was starting writing the top again. Mark, what's the most important thing on your body?
My thumb. The left thumb.
That's right, your ears. You've got to protect your ears. You've got to have good hearing.
Earring.
Thought that would sound cool if I made up a word, like combining ear and hearing, but it just made it sound...
Earring is a thing already.
Yeah, can't make up things that already exist. So you want ear protection that something small, sleek, fits in. You don't stand out. Doesn't say obvious, hey, I'm not listening to this. So Mark's got some nice, sleek ear protection. Ear protey, we call it.
Pardon me? It's actually quite hard to hear.
Protect your ears. And Mark, why do you protect your ears? Okay, top tip number 4. Now this one's the most important top tip. And I'm going to use the purple marker for this one. And this one is a positive attitude. But I'm just going to write a posy addy. Because at the end of the day, if your addy isn't posy, it's neggy. And that's good for no one. So those are the 4 top tips for you today. Those are all 4 of the top tips. I've been Scratch Buffalo Chris.
Mark.
Top tips! Top tips! Top tips!